Hi friends, welcome back to our Finvigna channel, your trusted platform for learning and preparing for NISM mock test series. మనం మా ఛానల్లో NISM 10 ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్ అడ్వైజర్ లెవెల్ 1 అనేది స్టార్ట్ చేసాము. ఇది పార్ట్ 4 వీడియో. ఎవరైతే పార్ట్ 1, పార్ట్ 2, పార్ట్ 3 చూడలేదో ఒకసారి వెళ్ళి మా ఛానల్లో ఆల్రెడీ వీడియోస్ ఉన్నాయి, ఒకసారి చూడండి. అండ్ ఎవరైతే కొత్తగా మా ఛానల్కు విజిట్ అవుతున్నారో ప్లీజ్ మా ఛానల్ లైక్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. అండ్ ఎవరైతే మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ NISM మాక్ టెస్ట్ సిరీస్ కి అండ్ NISM సర్టిఫికేషన్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ కి ప్రిపేర్ అవుతున్నారో వాళ్ళకి మా వీడియోస్ షేర్ చేయండి. సరే, ఇంక వీడియో స్టార్ట్ చేద్దామా? అండ్ ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఈస్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద మినిమం ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్ వాల్యూ రిక్వైర్స్ ఇన్ అన్ AIF? ఆప్షన్ ఏ ₹1 crore, ఆప్షన్ బి ₹1 lakh, option C ₹10 lakhs, option D ₹50 lakhs. Let's see the correct answer. And the correct answer is option A, ₹1 crore. And the next question is, how can sector specific risk be mitigated in equity investments? Let's see the options. Option A, currency risk. Option B, market timing. Option C, company specific risk. Option D, diversification across sectors. Let's see the correct answer. And the correct answer is option D, diversification across sectors. And the next question is, what is the primary characteristics of being long on option in an equity option contract? Let's see the options. Option A, maximum profit is the premium received. Option B, obligation to sell the underlying asset. Option C, right to exercise the option. Option D, unlimited potential loss. Let's see the correct answer. And the correct answer is option C, right to exercise the option. And the next question is, what is the market value added, MVA? Let's see the options. Option A, debt to equity ratio. Option B, book value minus market value. Option C, market value minus book value. Option D, economic profit. Let's see the correct answer. And the correct answer is option C, market value minus book value. And the next question is, what is the primary role of primary dealers, PDS, in the GSEC market? Let's see the options. Option A, investing in foreign securities. Option B, conducting T-bill auction. Option C, providing two-way quotes of GSEC. Option D, issuing retail bonds. Let's see the correct answer. And the correct answer is option C, providing two-way quotes for GSEC. And the next question is, what is the purpose of fixed deposit receipt issued by a bank? Let's see the options. Option A, proof of residence. Option B, proof of income. Option C, proof of identity. Option D, proof of FD investments. Let's see the correct answer. And the correct answer is option D, proof of FD investments. And the next question is, when was repo in corporate bonds introduced by RBI? And the options are option A, 2010, option B, 2017, option C, 2018, option D, 2003. Let's see the correct answer. And the correct answer is option A, 2010. And the next question is, what define fixed income securities creating financial obligations for issuers? Let's see the options. Option A, fixed interest payments. Option B, equity participation. Option C, variable interest payments. Option D, dividend payments. Let's see the correct answer. And the correct answer is option A, fixed interest payments. And the next question is, how do equity shareholders participate in a company's profit? Let's see the options. Option A, fixed interest payment. Option B, rental income. Option C, voting rights. Option D, dividend and capital appreciation. Let's see the correct answer. And the correct answer is option D, dividend and capital appreciation. And the next question is, in option trading, what is the role of the seller or writer? Option A, exercises the option. Option B, guarantees settlement. Option C, take a long position. Option D, takes a short position. Let's see the correct answer. And the correct answer is option D, takes a short position. And the next question is, why is a company not obligated to repay the amount received from equity shareholders? Let's see the options. Option A, residual claim. Option B, voting rights. Option C, fixed return expectations. Option D, ownership rights. Let's see the correct answer. And the correct answer is option A, residual claim. And the next question is, in future hedging, what happens to the net position value irrespective of market movements? Let's see the options. Option A, it increases. Option B, it decreases. Option C, it remains constant. Option D, it is unpredictable. Let's see the correct answer. And the correct answer is option C, it remains constant. And the next question is, what is the primary purpose of the government securities GSEC market in India? Let's see the options. Option A, facilitate retail investments. Option B, fund corporate ventures. Option C, provide short-term loans to banks. Option D, benchmark interest rates for pricing. Let's see the correct answer. And the correct answer is option D, benchmark interest rates for pricing. And the next question is, how is the market price of a bond affected when the market interest rate is above the coupon rate? Let's see the options. Option A, cease to exist. Option B, sells at premium. Option C, same as principal value. Option D, sells at discount. Let's see the correct answer. And the correct answer is option D, sells at a discount. And the next question is, can Kisan Vikas Patra be purchased by NRIs? Let's see the options. Option A, only through a post office. Option B, no. Option C, only through a bank. Option D, yes. Let's see the correct answer. And the correct answer is option B, no. And the next question is, what role do commercial banks traditionally play in emerging market economies with underdeveloped debt markets? Let's see the options. Option A, minimal role. Option B, no role. Option C, equal role. Option D, dominant role. Let's see the correct answer. And the correct answer is option D, dominant role. And the next question is, what is the key constant consideration in determining whether to buy or sell a stock in fundamental analysis? Let's see the options. Option A, company's past performance. Option B, current market price. Option C, technical indicators. Option D, instinct value versus market price. Let's see the correct answer. And the correct answer is option D, instinct value versus market price. And the next question is, what is the primary method for reducing market risk in equity investments? Let's see the options. Option A, diversification. Option B, time diversification. Option C, sector concentration. Option D, currency risk hedging. Let's see the correct answer. And the correct answer is option A, diversification. And the next question is, what is the distinguishes feature of forward contract compared to future contracts? Let's see the options. Option A, traded on exchanges. Option B, bilateral OTC transactions. Option C, centralized trading platform. Option D, standardized terms. Let's see the correct answer. And the correct answer is option B, bilateral OTC transactions. And the next question is, why might a bank introduce deposits with a specific terms like 333 days or 777 days? Let's see the options. Option A, meeting regulatory requirements. Option B, minimizing interest rate risk. Option C, attracting funds for those specific durations. Option D, tax benefits for investors. Let's see the correct answer. Correct answer is option C, attracting funds for those specific durations. And the next question is, why are margins charged in a derivatives trading? Let's see the options. Option A, to encourage speculative trading. Option B, to offset potential losses. Option C, to guarantee profits. Option D, to cover transaction costs. Let's see the correct answer. And the correct answer is option D, to offset potential losses. And the next question is, when does an option writer have an obligation to fulfill the contract? Let's see the options. Option A, only at contract expiration. Option B, when the market is favorable. Option C, when the option buyer decides. Option D, at any time during the contract. Let's see the correct answer. And the correct answer is option C, when the option buyer decides. And the next question is, what might an investor choose? Choose debt over equity. Let's see the options. Option A, expectations of higher returns. Option B, desire of contractual obligations. Option C, desire of ownership rights. Option D, high risk appetite. Let's see the correct answer. And the correct answer is option B, desire of contractual obligation. And the next question is, what is a common benefit offered by a mutual funds, AIFs and PMS? Let's see the options. Option A, minimum investment value. Option D, convenience. Option C, risk reduction. Option D, regulatory protection. Let's see the correct answer. And the correct answer is option C, risk reduction. And the next question is, what is the age limit of limit for opening a Sukanya Samriddhi account? Let's see the options. Option A, up to 10 years. Option B, up to 21 years. Option C, up to 18 years. Option D, up to 15 years. Let's see the correct answer. And the correct answer is option A, up to 10 years. అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. మీరు ఇక్కడి వరకు వచ్చారంటే మా వీడియో మీకు మ్, చాలా బాగా నచ్చినట్టుంది. మీరు మా ఈ వీడియో మీకు హెల్ప్ఫుల్ అవుతున్నట్టు మాకు అనిపిస్తుంది. సో ఇలాంటి వీడియోస్ మేము ఎన్నో చేయాలి ఇంకా, అంటే మీ ఎంకరేజ్మెంట్ మాకు చాలా అవసరం. సో మీ సపోర్ట్ అంతా మీరు లైక్ చేసి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసి ఎలా సపోర్ట్ చేస్తూ ఉంటే, మా విజ్ఞాన్ ఫాలో అవుతూ ఉంటే మీకు ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్ ఈ ఎన్ఐఎస్ఎం మాక్ టెస్ట్ సిరీస్ అనేవి చాలా బాగా ఉంటాయి. అండ్ వీటి ద్వారా మీకు ఎగ్జామ్ కి ఒక కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ అండ్ ఎలా ప్రిపేర్ అవుతాయి, ఆ ఎగ్జామ్ ప్యాటర్న్ ఎలా ఉంటది, ఎలా అంటే మా క్వశ్చన్ చూడడం వల్ల మీకు ఆ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ అనేది వస్తుంది అనమాట, ఎగ్జామ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ అనేది. సో మీకు ఆ ఎగ్జామ్ క్రాక్ చేయడానికి కూడా చాలా ఈజీ ఉంటది. సో ఎవరైతే మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఎన్ఐఎస్ఎం సర్టిఫికేషన్స్ ప్రిపేర్ అవుతారో వాళ్ళకి కూడా షేర్ చేయండి. అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ వన్స్ అగైన్.